Good morning. Happy Saturday. I am pretty well hydrated this morning. As you can maybe see on my skin, I think it looks so much better. I also took my vitamins, the wellness pack, which contains like all kinds of vitamins from omega-3 to multiple minerals and vitamins and astaxanthin, all in this little package. They're so awesome. And even the best is the vitamin D, because they're like chewing pills. I just love it. It's so easy. So I'm back on track. Lots of water. And last night we made like a little change here, okay? Because I noticed that I won't have to, put on my makeup in the bathroom. So my husband put like my self-made shelf right in the back, so I can just grab it whenever I want to. We've done that last night, and now back to reality. I hope you're having a wonderful day. It's pretty warm and the sun is shining here, but not like brutally hot. The last days were like brutally hot, but yeah, today we don't have a lot of plans, but we want to go to IKEA and get a new bed for our little one. So we hope that we will find one. Today I am a little bit in blue, a different color, which I normally don't wear a lot, but we have to try something out. I bought it like months ago, and when I see stuff that I haven't worn yet, I think, okay, you just have to wear it, because I always set myself like a deadline. If I haven't worn a piece within a year, I'm getting rid of it. I have done this procedure like many years now, and it always works. If I haven't worn it like a year, it's gone, because then I'm not going to wear it, okay? So yeah, that's what I did today. Peach Perfector as a primer. I think it's like a great primer. It's a tinted moisturizer actually, so if you have like light skin, you could also just use this like as a makeup, okay? Today I don't want to go high end, but our Eternal Glow foundation is actually on sale, this catalog, and I just wanted to show you how it looks like. So it's very fluid, 90% skincare, okay? So it's very fluid, has a lot of moisturizing for your skin in it. So it also has SPF 25. I see. I have the darkest color, Beige Warm. It's a little bit dark, but I think it's awesome. I just love it, and I just wanted to show you. As you can hear it, it's very fluid, and you don't need a lot of this. So you have like this pumping thing, and you just need like a couple of drops maybe. Let's check it out. And it smells so good. So you always have to be very careful with these products, because they're so highly pigmented. And this is like pure luxury, okay? So actually on sale for, I think, 20 euros, something around 20 euros, okay? So you have like massive skincare in it, which is so good for your skin. And as you can see, the coverage is already there, and I haven't used like, 2 drops maybe. So I'm just going to use another drop and going to put it all over. So yeah, actually, the latest catalog is like going crazy. It's going crazy. We have launched a new perfume, which I have ordered already, but it's not here yet. So we have like a very nice summer perfume. And yeah, I already placed my order, and I bought a lot of stuff, new lip glosses, makeup, all the products that you need for the summer. So can you see this? It looks gorgeous. This is like a really high-end makeup with 2 to 3 drops. That's it. So this will last literally forever and currently on sale. And this is like a dupe of, I think it's, I'm not sure, and I don't want to talk anything bad. I just think if you're looking for a dupe, I think it's a dupe of Charlotte Tilbury. Not sure, or Estee Lauder. I'm not sure. It was one of those. So, concealer. I think a darker tone of makeup and a light concealer is like a very, very great combination. So, probably I'm going to be like very overdressed for IKEA, but I don't care. So I'm just going to work that in. Yeah, and also we have like a great offer. If you are new and you haven't placed your order yet, you can get free shipping when you spend 35 euros. And when you spend the same amount, 35 euros, you also get one article 50% off. No matter how expensive it is, it just has to be from the catalog. So if you're looking for a skincare or for a perfume, you can just spend 35 euros and you get one product of the catalog 50% off. And this is like a really, really great sale, okay? I made like, this is for brand partner and for customers, okay? The 50% off. So if you want to try out like a new perfume or new products, this is like a good start with Oriflame. So if you're interested in it, then just comment on the video or send me a direct message and I will let you have the link because these offers are just insane. So I wanted to try out something new today, which I haven't done before. We've got these eyeshadow and eye pencil stick, okay? So basically this is the eyeliner, very soft, and this is the eyeshadow, very light. Can you see it? So I'm just going to try to put that on. It will take me forever to do it like live, so I'm just going to be right back with you. I'm back. So very easy to apply. It's so soft and powderish, like this shimmer and this brown eyeliner. I've also put on the Big Lash mascara, which is also on sale. I do like it. I think I just feel like a little bit, you know, overdressed because I'm not going like to a very special occasion. But these duo sticks, we do have them in a, I don't know, like pinkish color, pinkish violet. Let me just show you. So it's basically like a pink, I would say, and the eyeliner, very soft. It's amazing. And I also get the color like a green tone, yeah, eyeshadow here, and the eyeliner. It's so soft and so easy to apply. I love it. Amazing. So I am not like using eyeliner all the time. That's why it doesn't look like very professional, but who wants to be very professional? I mean, this is reality. So they are not on sale, I think, but so easy, so soft, love it. Can only recommend it. Next step would be, let's check it. Highlighter. So we do have the Illuskin highlighter, which I really, really like, but I am totally in love with this face styler stick because it's just, you know, a simple stick which you can use as an eyeshadow for your lips or for, you know, your cheeks. So very simple, very high pigmented product. You have to be very careful, as you can see. But it's so easy, so practical. You can just put it into your purse. You know, nothing is going to break. This is what I love about the sticks, and you know, they're so not complicated. We also have like a stick foundation. Let me just check where I put it. Do I have it here somewhere? Yeah, here. We do have like a makeup stick foundation as well in different colors. So you don't even have to have like, you know, fluid makeup if you want to keep it simple and very fast. We also have this in a stick version. So then I think, yeah, I'm going to put on the lip gloss from Jordani Gold. I think they're currently on sale. Iconic Lip. It also contains SPF, sun protection 15. Love it. Very luxurious in a glass bottle, so it's a high-end product, I'm telling you. So I'm going to put this on. And it's very similar to the Ultra Fix because you have to let it dry for a few minutes and then that's it. You don't have to do anything else. And then it will stay like this, like literally forever. So this is going to be the look of my day. I'm going to brush my hair. I am just so glad we're back home. I can do my normal skincare routine, which is always so important to me. I would prefer to have like very nice hair instead of a great makeup. Not sure how you feel about it, but when my hair is on fleek, I just feel most comfortable. So I always use like our Duology hair care range from A to Z, and we do have like hair oils. Sorry, I got cut off because I don't have any space anymore on my camera. I just have to get rid of all the videos and pictures and whatever. So we do have like a special hair oil. This is for medium and thick hair. We do have one for thin hair. We have an overnight oil. So everything your hair needs to be treated well. So I'm just going to put in a little bit of hair oil. My hair is like soaking it up very quickly. And that's it for the day. So basically, this is my look. I think it's pretty simple. Nothing I would wear like on a normal daily basis just because of the eyeliner. And if I would put like, you know, like another eye pencil here, this would be just too much. So I'm just keeping it this way. And yeah, if you have any questions to the product, just send me a message or comment on the video below. If you would be interested into the business opportunity, then you can just contact me. It's very simple, very easy to join, and this will be your ticket to freedom, I'm going to tell you. So have a lovely Saturday, and talk to you tomorrow. Bye.